India on Wednesday released multiple videos showing its armed forces striking terror camps in Pakistan and Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. 9 terrorist camps linked to groups like Jaish-e-Mohammed, Lashkar-e-Taiba and Hizbul Mujahideen were targeted and destroyed under Operation Sindoor to avenge the deadly April 22 attack in Jammu and Kashmir's Pahalgam. Fuzail Ahmed has the report.
Operation Sindoor launched. On May 7, 2025, 9 sites targeted. Terrorist infrastructure targeted in POJK and Pakistan. Justice was served for the victims of Pahalgam terror attacks on Wednesday as Indian Armed Forces launched Operation Sindoor, hitting terrorist infrastructure in Pakistan-occupied Jammu and Kashmir and Pakistan. Terrorist attacks were planned and directed from these camps against India.
Investigations into the Pahalgam terror attack have brought out the communication notes of terrorists in and to Pakistan. The claims made by the Resistance Front and their reposting by known social media handles of the Lashkar-e-Taiba speak for themselves. Identification of the attackers based on eyewitness accounts as well as other information available to law enforcement agencies has also progressed. Our intelligence has developed an accurate picture of the planners and backers of this team. The features of this attack also tie in with Pakistan's long track record of perpetrating cross-border terrorism in India, which is well documented and beyond question. Pakistan also has a well-deserved reputation as a haven for terrorists from around the world, with internationally proscribed terrorists enjoying impunity there. In addition, Pakistan has been known to willfully mislead the world and international forums, such as the Financial Action Task Force, on this issue.
India demonstrated considerable restraint in selection of targets and method of execution. The actions were focused, measured, and non-escalatory in nature. No Pakistani military facilities were targeted.
9 terrorist camps were targeted and successfully destroyed. Over the last 3 decades, Pakistan has systematically built terror infrastructure. It is a complex web of recruitment and indoctrination centers, training areas for initial and refresher courses, and launch pads for handlers. These camps are located both in Pakistan as well as Pakistan-occupied Jammu and Kashmir areas. Some of the well-known training camps are located, as you can see on the screen. They are distributed from Savai Nala in the north, counting to approximately 21, ending at Bhagalpur to the south.
Altogether, 9 sites were targeted. They are Savai Nala camp, one of the most important camps of LET and is used for recruitment, registration and training of LET cadres. This camp was functional since early 2000. It is 30 kilometers from the line of control in Tangdhar sector. Saidna Bilal camp is the main center of JEM in POJK, located opposite Red Fort, Muzaffarabad. This facility is used as a transit camp for JEM terrorists prior to their launching into JNK. Gulpur camp, Kotli, is 30 kilometers from the line of control. Active base of LET terrorists in Rajouri, Punch. 2611 mastermind Zaki-ur-Rahman Lakhvi used to give speeches here. Abbas Camp, Kotli, is 13 kilometers from the line of control, training center for LET suicide bombers. This camp used to train around 50 terrorists. Barnala Camp, Bhimber, is 9 kilometers from the line of control, used to train weapons, IED manufacturing and jungle survival. Sarjal Camp, Sialkot, in Pakistan, is 6 kilometers from the international border. The terrorists responsible for the killing of 4 Jammu and Kashmir police personnel were trained here. Mehmuna Zoya Camp, Sialkot in Pakistan, is 12 kilometers from the international border. A major center of Hizbul Mujahideen, the attack on Pathankot Air Force Base was planned here. Markaz Tayyaba Muridke is 25 kilometers from the international border, headquarters of Lashkar-e-Taiba. Terrorists Ajmal Kasab and David Coleman Headley, involved in the 2008 Mumbai attacks, trained here. Markaz Subhan, Bahawalpur, is 100 kilometers from the international border, headquarters of Jaish-e-Mohammed. Terror commanders like Masood Azhar used to give instructions from here.
सवाई नाला कैंप मुजफ्फराबाद, जो कि POJK के लाइन ऑफ कंट्रोल से 30 किलोमीटर दूर है। यह एक लश्कर-ए-तौयबा का ट्रेनिंग सेंटर था। 20 अक्टूबर 2024 सोनमर्ग, 24 अक्टूबर 24 गुलमर्ग, 22 अप्रैल 2025 पहलगाम, इन हमलों के आतंकियों ने यहीं से प्रशिक्षण लिया था।
These steps came in the wake of the barbaric Pahalgam terrorist attack in which 25 Indians and 1 Nepali citizen were murdered. Fuzail Ahmed's report for DD India.